The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Executive Committee, led by Chief Executive Member Titos Starwell Khan, on Thursday called on 50 headmen from different localities of Shillong to enact stricter laws concerning the influx of migrants into the city. After careful deliberation with the headman, Khan stated that he is overjoyed to see the localities have begun keeping track of and registering their tenants. He added that they have decided to issue a district council notification under the name Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Maintenance of Household Register. Additionally, he stated that temporary residents, both local and non-local, must register themselves, and those non-locals who wish to rent a house must first obtain permission from the Dorbar Shillong.
Kani kecingnya lang ikut kepang tangi di lambak senang di badan Shillong. Kedau kolong ba ya kecing sedang jom kecing wan jom kipriu ki bana ba banwan ban buhai senong banwan bi pengen hapok ini kira sor kejongi kamtam kum play I kecing ja po badan ting hak ba bedan ini ki tribal lantai po Manipur yang kecing ja Manipur pastam banwan Shillong po ngana ting badmentane se kila agri sikiwe patisno.
Clear today